Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show everyone on how to convert Google Earth KML data, alright, into Esri Shapefiles. So this is very important and useful, unlike the general method that many of us are actually familiar with, making use of the ArcMap. You cannot import KML data directly. Alright, you need to use your toolbox to convert the KML to layer, then layer to shape files. So that procedure is actually long and cumbersome. So I'm just going to show you the best method to use without using your ArcToolbox procedures. Okay, so to do that in one click, you'll be making use of your software application. So you open your software application, you close this, then when you have your windows pop up, you come to file, click on file, then navigate to open, click on open. So you can now navigate to where you have your Google Earth KML data. So maybe you have digitized some sets of data in points, lines and polygons, and you save it as KML. This method is best. So you select the KML file, then you click on open. So it's going to bring out this prompt. You don't need to do anything here, leave everything on default, then you click on OK. So it's going to load up all your data, but it is not yet converted. Under the map content, you uncheck all this. Alright, so these are just my own set of data. They are actually point data. There are no lines or polygon data that was actually within my data. Alright, so when it is loaded up this way, then you come back to file, click on file. Then this time around, you navigate to export, click on export. Then under your export, you are going to give it a file name. So I'm just going to call this new underscore SHP shapefile. Then under your save as type, click on the drop down to see the different formats you can actually convert or export your data as. Then I'm going to scroll down. Then you scroll down to SHP, Esri Shapefile. Select that option. Then you note the folder your converted data is going under. Then you click on save. It's going to bring out this prompt. Under your scaling tab, your scaling source, make sure it is your map base, the exact KML data you import into the software application. Alright, so when you confirm that that is the data, not the paper space, not the save settings, but the map, the exact data. Then you click on the spatial references, you leave all this on default, click on SHP options. So the beauty of using the software is that all your data formats you have, maybe in lines, on polygons or points, it is going to read it. So in your own case, you may find out that this option is the second option because that is the default. Alright, so that it can actually read all points, lines and polygon. But because I don't have polygon or line features, I'm just going to check this first option. Alright, but if you have points, lines and polygon features within your data set, you check or you leave it as this option. So I'm going to click on this option and I'm going to leave this on default. Okay, then after that you click on OK, and that's all. So you can just close your software application. Then you come to your ArcMap or other GIS packages you will be making use of. Come to your add data sets, click on add data. Then you can now scroll down. So I have it as new SHP. You navigate to the folder where you have the data sets. Alright, so I have it as new SHP. So you select your data, then you click on add. Automatically you can see your data set converted to shapefile. So you can go ahead to check your attribute table to see if all your attributes that you have digitized from the Google Earth Pro or you have exported as KML is actually converted alongside with your data. So here it is, the description of each set and the elevations, although the elevation is reference to the ellipsoid, not to the geoid. So therefore, this is how to convert KML to shapefile using software application in one click. So this is much more easier and straightforward for beginners. If you find this video helpful and informative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon, as well as turn on your notification on this channel to keep on getting valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.